How to find microphone permission settings on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here, and here we'll find settings. Click on it and here we'll find permission. Now just wait few seconds and just wait for it, and then scroll down until you find here this one. Scroll down until you find that microphone. Here you can manage microphone permission settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.